What if one night you looked up at the sky and the moon was simply gone? No warning, no explosion, just vanished. No more full moons.
No more lunar eclipses. No more tides like we know them. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right?
But what would really happen if the moon suddenly disappeared? Buckle up, because the answer will shake you to your core.
Let's start with the most immediate and obvious change. The tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the familiar rise and fall of tides twice a day. Without the moon, that gravitational tug vanishes. Tides would still exist,
but barely. Just 25% as strong, thanks to the sun. This would wreak havoc on marine ecosystems. Animals like crabs, sea turtles, and shorebirds rely on the tides to breed and feed. Without that rhythm, their entire way of life collapses. Think the moon just lights up the night?
Think again. It also stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, the angle at which our planet spins. Without it, Earth starts to wobble like a broken top.
Over thousands of years, this wobble would become chaotic. Our seasons could become extreme and unpredictable. One decade, the Sahara could become a rainforest. The next, New York could turn into a frozen wasteland. The moon's disappearance would also impact our weather.
Less tidal energy means less ocean mixing. That mixing distributes heat and nutrients around the globe. Without it,
ocean currents would slow down or even collapse. This would lead to extreme climate zones, scorching heat in some areas, deep freezes in others.
Storms might become more frequent, more violent, and less predictable. And it doesn't stop with oceans or atmosphere. It gets personal.
Humans evolved with the moon. Its light, its rhythms, they shape our biology.
Studies show that the full moon affects sleep. People sleep less and have more vivid dreams. Without it, our sleep patterns could shift permanently.
Worse, lunar cycles have been tied to animal migrations, reproductive cycles, even mental health. Would crime rates change?
Would humans become more anxious or more calm? One obvious but haunting change. Our nights would never be the same.
The moon reflects sunlight and brightens the night sky. Its absence would plunge nights into deeper darkness.
Astronomers would celebrate the clearer skies, but for the rest of us, navigating at night would become more dangerous. No more romantic moonlit walks. No guiding light for nocturnal animals. Many animals use moonlight to hunt or escape predators. Take it away, and entire food chains begin to unravel. The moon's gravity doesn't just move oceans. It also slightly influences satellites. Its disappearance could disturb satellite orbits, space missions, and long-term stability of Earth's artificial satellites. Navigation systems, communication networks, weather forecasting, all could be affected. Here's something wild. The moon is slowing down Earth's rotation. Without it, Earth would start spinning faster. Our days would get shorter, by a few milliseconds at first, but more over time. That means less time per day, and faster winds due to centrifugal force. Life on Earth has evolved with a 24-hour rhythm. Could we adapt to 23-hour days? What would it do to our biology and society? Beyond science, imagine the cultural loss. The moon is a muse. In poetry, myths, religions, and art. From werewolves to lunar gods, it plays a central role in human identity. What happens to our sense of wonder when the moon is gone? Would we replace it with something artificial? Would we build a space mirror? Or just mourn? Now, here's the kicker. Can the moon actually disappear? Scientifically, no. Not suddenly, but hypothetically. Let's say a rogue planet smashes into it, or aliens tow it away, or it collapses into a black hole. It's all science fiction for now. But this thought experiment shows how vital the moon is. It's not just a glowing orb, it's a planetary stabilizer, a biological timer,
a symbol.
So next time you look up and see the moon, remember, it's holding your world together in more ways than you know.
Its disappearance would trigger a cascade of destruction, environmental, biological, and emotional. Appreciate it, protect it,
And be grateful it's still there, because without the moon, Earth would never be the same. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a question that blows your mind. Drop a comment.
What do you think would happen if the moon vanished?